So class, our today's new topic is the product of the sum and the difference of the same term. So suppose class you have two terms a and b. So the sum of those terms are a plus b and the difference is a minus b. So what is the product of these two, a plus b multiplied by a minus b? So you all know the multiplication of two binomials, a plus b into a minus b, a into a plus plus and minus minus a into b. Now plus into plus, a into b and plus into minus b into b. So a into a square minus ab plus ab minus b square. So plus ab and minus ab can cancel and answer is a square minus b square. So the product of sum and the difference of the same variable is the square of first variable minus square of second variable. It means if you have x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2, so the answer is the square of first term minus the square of second term. So x square minus 4 is your answer. So your answer is first term square minus second term square. So this is the formula by which you can solve these questions. So now class, exercise 27C, question number 1, first part, x plus 4, x minus 4. First term is x, second term is 4. First term is x, second term is 4. So this is the sum and this is the difference of same term. So our answer is first term square minus second term square. First term is x, second term is 4. So the square of x, x square, the square of 4, 16. X square minus 16 is your answer. Number 1, third part, 12 plus y, 12 minus y. Same term, same term, same term, same term. Only the difference is plus and minus. So the square of first term 144, square of second term y square. 8 plus 9n, 8 minus 9n. Square of first term minus square of second term. 2 upon 5ab, 2 upon 5ab. Minus c plus c. So formula is there. Square of first term, square of second term. 4 upon 25, a square b square minus c square. Now class, question number 2, find the products. I am taking first question, a plus 1, a minus 1, a square plus 1. So class, here you can see a plus 1, a minus 1. So you can solve these by formula. So class, a plus 1 into a minus 1 into a square plus 1. So product of a plus 1, a minus 1 is a plus 1 into a minus 1. Square of first term minus square of second term, the answer is a square minus 1. It means we get the answer of the multiplication of these two terms. Now a square minus 1 and a square plus 1 is your question now, because a square minus 1 we can put in the place of a plus 1 and a minus 1. So our question is now a square minus 1 into a square plus 1. Now again you can see a square minus 1 plus 1. So first term is a square, second term is 1. So again we multiply this. So first term is a square, second term is 1. So first term square minus second term square means the square of first term, the square of a square minus square of 1. So the square of a square means a to the power 2 into 2. Whenever you have a power of power, at that time you multiply the power. So a to the power 4 minus 1. Question number 2, fourth part. The question is this. So you can see class, x cube minus 1 upon x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So we can solve these two first. The answer is first term minus second term square. So the square of x cube and the square of 1 upon x cube. By solving this we get the value x to the power 6 minus 1 upon x to the power 6. I told you multiply. If you have a power of power, then multiply the powers. So now the question become x to the power 6 minus 1 upon x to the power 6 into x to the power 6 plus 1 upon x to the power 6. So again it's based on the formula a square minus b square. Your first term is x to the power 6 and second term is 1 upon x to the power 6. So the square of first term, the square of x to the power 6 and minus the square of 1 upon x to the power 6. So the square of x to the power 6 is multiply the powers minus multiply the powers. So x to the power 12 minus 1 upon x to the power 12. And now question number 3, using the identity for difference of two square, find the value of. So using the identity for difference of two squares, the meaning is if your first square is a, then this is a square, and if your second square is b, so the difference of square means class a square minus b square. So by using this formula, solve these questions. So first question is 18 into 22, and you have to solve this by this formula a square minus b square. It means you need first term and you need second term. So your first term and second term should be same. A and a are same, b and b should be same. So how we solve this? So by that you have to understand your term should be same. So 18 means 20 minus 2 and 22 means 20 plus 2. So now your first term is 20 and second term is 2. Same. So solve this. 18 into 22. 18 means 20 minus 2 and 22 means 20 plus 2. So now a minus b into a plus b. The meaning is a square minus b square. So a square is 400, b square is 4. Answer is 396. 53 and 47. 53 means 50 plus 3. 47, 50 minus 3. So 50 square, a square minus b square, which is 3. So 2500 minus 9. 2491 is your answer. 169, 131. So add the first two term, subtract the first two term. So add a plus b. So this is your a, this is your b. Add a plus b, subtract a minus b. 300 into 38. Answer is 11400. And now question number 4. Find the value of x. So I am taking this question for you. So find the value of x. 24x equal to 99 square minus 87 square. A square minus b square. So it's a plus b, a minus b. A plus b means 99 plus 87. The answer is 186. 99 minus 87 means 12. So by multiplying this we will get 2232. So 24x is equal to 2232. So class 24x equal to 2232. So x equal to 2232 upon 24, x equal to 93. Question number 5, simplify. So I am taking the second question for you. So question number 5, second part, 23.71 into 23.71 minus 16.29 into 16.29 upon 0.742. So a into a minus b into b. The answer is a square minus b square. So 23.71 square minus 16.29 square. So you know the formula a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. So a plus b means a plus b. A minus b means a minus b upon 0.42. So by adding this we will get 40. By subtracting we get 7.42. Now class, solve this. So it's 7.42 and it's 0.742. So we can solve these two. So we can change this 0.742 into 7.42. So 40 into 7.42 upon 0.742. So convert this 0.742 into 7.42. For that we have to multiply by 10. So if we multiply by 10 here in denominator, so we should multiply in numerator also. So now this 0.742 multiplied by 10, the meaning is 7.42, and I multiply this 10 by 40, that is equal to 400. So 7.42 upon 7.42 is remaining part, cancel it, the answer is 400.